Check it out. We're finally able to make it back to the Gambler 500. That's driving me nuts.
Yeah, it's getting so bad.
I can't use my presenting voice. You'll have to bear with me. I'm losing my voice. But if you don't know...
Brought to you in part by Alpine Toyota.
So, we're here at the Gambler 500. It is an off-road rally. We get waypoints, we go pick up trash, and we adventure. Get to see the outdoors, the scenery, and impractical cars like our 2003 Corolla. Let's do it.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way.
Good job.
Present.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this to all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some more.
Well, we stopped to get a cool drive-by shot in the Corolla now that we're out in the bush, but it did not take long and we're already finding garbage. So instead of a drive-by, we'll get that anyways, but let's pick up some trash.
Come and keep me on your mind, 'cause I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way. Yeah, man, we coming for the bags that they said I couldn't have. Get the team. I got a vision for the things you ain't believe. And here's the motto: hard work is over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run last. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind. 'Cause I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way.
And in this tiny little stretch, we already nearly filled up a whole bag.
So unfortunately, we can't get the app that has all the waypoints. It's not available on our silly Canadian phones.
We can't get Onyx.
Can't get
Onyx doesn't seem to be available, in our Canadian app stores for whatever reason. But yeah, just following other gamblers, cruising some back roads, picking up some trash, doing our thing.
Yeah.
Hey Sam, ready to get the party started?
Hells yeah. Look at this pile Clinton just found. There's shoes and clothes and car parts and CDs and even a mouse. Look guys, we made a little friend. And he's just adorable. Alright, so we are trying to make our way back to Gambler Town. We picked up 4 big bags of garbage so far. We're going to go dump them off, and then we're going to go see where some other trails might be.
Yeah, we want to kind of figure out where the actual gambler waypoints and stuff are to participate in some of that. So let's get at it.
Let's get at it.
So not only is there a navigational challenge here and garbage pickup, but there's also a bunch of racing. There's hoopty cross, and behind us here they're about to do the go-kart racing. Alright, so we went to camp, checked out some of the festivities there, and now we have a list of waypoints. So, we're hitting the trail. It sounded so bad.
And after failing miserably at this hill, we decided to take a second look at the GPS and found an alternative route to the checkpoint.
Well, we only had 5 garbage bags left from the pack that we bought, and we filled all of them. So we're gonna grab all this, and we're gonna grab this inflatable raft I found over there, and yeah, let's head back to Gambler Town and dump this stuff off.
Is that a vacuum?
The trunk's full, but if you really want to keep piling stuff up, I guess we could throw this in the back seat. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this week's episode of Dirt Garage. Of course, I lost my voice literally en route to the Gambler. It was so annoying. But if you could do me a huge favor and let my wife know in the comments below that she did a good job. She stepped up to the plate. She decided that she would present the video in some parts anyways for me, which was super appreciated. And hey, while you're down there, hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. I upload weekly Toyota building, wheeling, and off-roading content. Anyways, I'll see you next week. Peace.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others say I'm